This week we chicken nuggets presents. Hicks gets grounded. And Hicks gets grounded by Lana McQueen and Meta. Chicken and nugget Hicks, you are grounded. Hey Chick, wake up, it's time to go to school. McQueen, I don't want to go to stupid school. It's too bad Chick is school so a lot. So, I have a breakfast to be like school. Sound good? Yeah? Let's go. Hi guys, my name is Melon. I'm your teacher today. What's 3 times 3? Yes, Frankie? 3 times 3 is 6. Correct. Was 32 divided by 8. Yes, Humpy, it's 7. Great job. Original Thomas was 2 take away 1 is 1. I cannot believe. Let's see here. Mr. Merlin. Yes, Chick. Can I use the bathroom? Yes, you can. Be quick, okay? And I will. Let's start the logic. 3, 2, 1. Oh goodness, there's a fire alarm going off. Quick, follow me to get out. That's my way out. Come on, follow me. Meanwhile, but wait a minute, where's Jake? Oh, Jake, he's not here right now. So, there's someone did put fire alarm. So, alarm went off. So let's go back to class. Are we? Sure thing. Meanwhile, okay guys, now it's safe right now. Let's continue. Hicks, please report to Principal Vector's office at once. Or just Johnny. Hi Mr. Vector. I gotta help you. So, Chick, you have to put a fire alarm. Let's look at this. What is it? Just come here. I cannot believe they're firing in 3, 2, 1. Beep, beep, beep. Hicks, I don't put a fire alarm at school today. So farewell is not good at all. So I can't line a crane about this. Oh crap, here we go again. When Jack got home, chicken and nugget hicks. I don't put a fire alarm at school. That's it. Your grandpa unsuspended from school, then not play for night, or go to Jack Storm's house 2 by time. Go to the room right now. Fine. Screw you, Queen. Or don't butt to me either.
Thomas